Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going back into the Harbor Freight website and checking out the new deals that they have going on basically until the end of the month. So we already went over the first half of the month and the coupons that were included in that. So today we're going to be looking at the coupons for September 15th, which is a couple days ago, through the 28th. So almost the end of the month. And from what I've seen, it looks like some pretty good coupons. So if you guys have experience with any of these items, please feel free to drop a comment down below for others that may be interested in it. Whether it's good things or bad things about the product, please let us know down in the comments, and whether you think that product is worth it at that price. So first up on the list is the 10-gallon 175 PSI ultra quiet Fortress air compressor. I have a Fortress air compressor, the ultra quiet. I have the 2-gallon, but that thing has been fantastic, and it really surprised me when they say ultra quiet. I mean, like, it is quiet for an air compressor. So I think $250 down from $290 is a good deal. Then they have the McGraw. I don't have experience with the McGraw stuff, but this is the 8-gallon 150 PSI oil-free. I've heard a lot of people recommending to stay away from, oil-free compressors. I think it all really depends on how much you use an air compressor and for the periods of time that you're running that air compressor. I think for a lot of people, these oil-free compressors are still going to live a long life. And this one's at $130 down from $160. Next up, they have the 3/8 inch by 50 foot industrial grade air hose reel at $140 down from $170. Then we have the Merlin 3/8 by 50 foot lay flat air hose. So this one is going to be $30, so $10 more expensive than their just standard rubber hose. Then the Central Pneumatic retractable hose reel at $60, so a little bit cheaper than the industrial grade one from Earthquake. Then we have the Fortress 1-gallon 135 PSI ultra quiet oil-free job site air compressor. This is basically the exact same thing I have, but I have the 2-gallon one, and it has been fantastic. I think I've had it for roughly 2 years now, and it's been fantastic. Haven't had any issues. Once again, I don't use it for big things, so it works just fine for me. It's not something that I use on a daily basis. I've been really happy with the purchase. I also used a coupon when I purchased mine as well. Then you got the Banks 18 gauge 2-in-1 brad nailer and narrow crown stapler at $28 down from $40, a decent amount of savings on that. Then moving into the Automotive coupons, we have their plastic fastener kit 240 piece set at $13, which isn't bad at all, down from $18. It depends on if you deal with those clips. I deal with those clips on a regular basis, so having sets like this is really handy to have around. Then you have the 4-ton portable hydraulic equipment kit. This is $110 down from $180, so a lot of savings on that. My old boss actually purchased this, and he's been using it for, I want to say, about 4 years, and he's had really good experiences with it. We use them a lot on bedsides and certain panels where there aren't leverage points. Using something like this is fantastic. 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack at $30 down from $40. Diesel transfer pump at $100 down from $140. That's a decent amount of savings on that. I don't have any experience with that one though. Not sure about the longevity on it, but it is rated pretty highly. Permatex anti-seize lubricant, always handy stuff to have on hand. It's down from $11.50 to $9, so a couple dollars worth of savings there. U-joint puller at $90 down from $110 from Icon. Snatch block at $20 down from $30. Some more off-road lights. The Badlands Apex 5,500 pound UTV short drum winch with synthetic rope at $225. I don't think that's a bad deal. Not a whole lot of savings, $25 in savings, but I don't think that's a bad deal. 9,000 pound capacity 3-inch recovery strap at $19 down from $25. Viking 1.5 amp onboard battery maintainer. These are really nice if you have project cars or marine applications to where maybe they sit for quite a while. Something like this is really handy to have. This one's at $23 down from $28. The Viking, I've heard mixed reviews on this, so if you guys have experience with the Viking battery charger or maintainer, or basically any Viking product, if you guys have experience with them, please let me know your experiences down in the comments. But this one is at $30 down from $40, so a decent amount of savings on that as well. 1800 watt gas powered generator at $330 down from $350. I've actually had this inverter as well, the 2000 watt and 4000 peak modified sine wave power inverter. It's a decent inverter. I've upgraded since, but I think I ran that one for about a year and a half. $130 down from $150. The solar panel for their power stations at $200. This is the 200 watt one. Long reach hose grip pliers. I've had these for many years, probably around 10 years, and I absolutely love these hose grip pliers. I use them a lot on electrical connectors where you got to squeeze both sides, and sometimes they're real stubborn depending on where they are getting them out. These are fantastic. Small heater core hoses, I mean, vacuum lines, things like that. Absolutely fantastic. Quinn 3/8 drive chrome socket set. It's a 10-piece set for $9. It does look like it's a 12-point set. $9 down from $14. They got the Pittsburgh self-adjusting wire strippers. I do have this design. I don't have the Pittsburgh one. This one's at $8 down from $10. I'm not sure about that one. The Quinn 1/4-inch drive low profile sealed ratchet. 90-tooth design, $15. I think Quinn has been doing a really good job since they've kind of stepped it up, and kind of they're a little different than Pittsburgh now. Everything's not the same as Pittsburgh, so I do like where Quinn is going with a lot of their stuff. Extension cord, the 50-foot 16x3 at $13 down from $15. Retractable cord reel at $70 down from $85. That's actually a decent price on that. It's a 3-outlet or triple tap. Electronic digital safe. It's a smaller one, but $22.50. Not a whole lot of savings on that, but I mean, it's a smaller little guy. Outdoor, we got the Predator 2.4 GPM 5.6 horsepower pressure washer at $320 down from $350, so $30 worth of savings on that. A couple coupons on tarps, the heavy duty or the extreme duty, and then the weather resistant tarp. I think this is the one that performed really well with sun resistance. The 19-foot by 29-foot, just all-purpose weather resistant tarp. Got another tarp over here on the right. You got the gas-powered earth auger from Predator at $180 down from $225, so quite a bit of savings on that. The 12-foot by 20-foot portable garage, $360 down from $400, so nice $40 savings there. So they got their impact rated hex shanks or socket adapters for the impact driver, 3-piece set, all 3 drive sizes, $7 down from $9. A couple Warrior products. This Bauer set, 115-piece set. These aren't going to be the best quality drill bits in the world, far from it, but if you need a large assortment with really small increments, want a set that doesn't skip a lot of sizes or have a big gap between drill bit sizes, this is a really good one. And you can find these on Amazon from tons of different brands, the exact same drill bit set, but Harbor Freight and this drill bit set, I will tell you, is going to go on sale probably more often than a lot of the ones on Amazon. So I think this at $130 is a good price, down from $140. I mean, a lot of the other ones sell around that $140 too. So I think it's a good deal when you can get it at Harbor Freight with a coupon. The Hercules circular saw beam cutter attachment at $60 down from $80. Oscillating multi-tool at $60. This is a corded tool, but $60, that's not bad, down from $70. The Bauer 10 amp 4-inch by 24-inch variable speed belt sander at $70 down from $80. Their little cutout tool, 5.5 amp from Bauer at $30. That's another corded tool there. The Gordon folding utility knife at $4 down from $7. If you just need a couple cheap ones around, it's not bad to have on hand. 150-pound capacity folding hand truck. These are always really handy too, especially at $23. I don't think that's a bad deal. 400-pound capacity 43-inch professional creeper at $110 down from $140. If you guys have experience with this, please let me know down in the comments. This one looks like it would roll a little bit better than some of the other ones that I've used. Folding sawhorse at $20 down from $25 from Bauer. For storage, we got the 5-drawer service cart down to $229 or $230 from $280. I always think that's, even at $280, these 5 drawers are a fantastic price or a fantastic product for the price, even at the full price. Now, I don't suggest, you pay that unless you really need one at the time and it's not on sale, but these things go on sale so often that if you can wait just a little while, you can at least get it at this $230 price. That's a fantastic price. I know it's not as low as it used to be years ago, but it's still a fantastic price There aren't really any other tool carts of this size, even remotely in the same price range. You'll find a lot of worse quality ones that are more expensive, and the ones that you do find at this price are like really janky little carts. They got like 1-2 drawers, extremely flimsy. There aren't a whole lot out there that compete with this mechanics cart. So if you're interested in a cart, I think this is one of the best ones available, and I don't know if anybody's ever really going to beat it. $230 is a killer deal, and I love all the color options for it. Then you got the 46-inch 9-drawer Yukon mobile storage cabinet, $300. This is a little bit cheaper of a storage cabinet. It's not like a toolbox. It's not like if you want to have this for storing like maybe tools that you don't access on a regular basis, mid to long-term storage, it is a good option for that. Apache case on sale at $10. I don't think that's a bad deal. Welding and machinery. I don't use a whole lot of this stuff. I'm not a welder, but I have used some of these tools down here. So there's some deals on a little bit of welding equipment, concrete vibrator. You got the Doyle 6-inch hitch vise at $100 down from $120. You got the 1-inch by 30-inch belt sander at $45 down from $60. Oscillating spindle sander at $130 from $160. Benchtop wood lathe at $270. I've heard mixed reviews on this wood lathe, so I'd like some input if you guys have experience with this. But this one's at $270 down from $280, so a little bit of savings on that. And then just some more welding equipment. You got some flex core welding wire, helmet, some gloves. And then we still have the dollar days that are going on for a few days more, or about a week more. So definitely some decent coupons. A couple Icon products, a couple really good Bauer and Quinn products. So definitely some good coupons to go through basically the end of the month. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any experience with those items that I talked about, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'm sure it'd be helpful, not just for me, but other viewers as well. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time.